Ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, an executive meeting of BJP was held in a private hotel in the capital on Friday. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, State BJP Prabhari Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Union Minister Pratima Bhomik, Tripura Pradesh BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharya and others were present.
The Lok Sabha election is going to be held after 3 months in the country. This Lok Sabha election is going to be contested for a total of 543 seats. Various programs of the ruling party BJP are underway in the state ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha election. As such, an executive meeting of BJP was held in a private hotel in the capital on Friday. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, State BJP Prabhari Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Union Minister Pratima Bhomik, Tripura Pradesh BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharya, BJP State Vice President Patalkaina Jomatia, Shubal Bhumik, Papya Datta, Ashok Singha, Tapas Bhattacharya, State Secretary Amit Rakshit and other leaders of BJP were present in this meeting. State BJP Prabhari Dr. Mahesh Sharma and Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha highlighted various issues in the meeting.
Thank you.
Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.